How to close or delete your Coinbase account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to close or delete your Coinbase account. So to close or delete your Coinbase account, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Coinbase account, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And from the home page, you go and press the settings icon. Then you could go and navigate to your settings, and when you've done that, you'll be able to find this option as delete account, and if you've done that, you'll be able to locate this option delete account right at the bottom. If you're sure about deleting your account, click on it or go ahead and press on it. Then it's going to show you a confirmation that are you really sure about deleting your account and all that. Go ahead and press on it if you're sure about it. Enter in the password associated with your Coinbase account, and then it's going to send you a notification that within 24 to 48 hours your account should be deleted. So that is how you can close or delete your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.